Hey everyone, we are UWSB students. My name is Chris.
I'm Mike.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about kicking. So we're going to be talking about kicking with accuracy particularly, and for that we're going to be using the instep or the inside of our foot. We want to keep the ball on the ground, and we're not going to want to power really hard. We're just going to give it a nice tap. So Mike's going to demonstrate here what it would look like if we're going to kick for accuracy.
Alright, so our activity that we're going to be doing today is called soccer bowling. So some materials that we're going to need, if you have a ball, use a ball. If we don't have a ball, you can make one with using a bunch of socks balling together, stuffed animals, and we're also going to need pins, or if we don't have outdoor bowling pins, we could use cones or empty bottles or empty soda cans, just nothing that's going to break when you kick it. Okay, so for our activity of soccer bowling today, our goal is to knock down as many pins as we can on our kicks. So we're going to have 2 kicks per frame, and we're going to have 5 total frames. So your kicks, when you kick the ball, you don't want it to leave the ground, and for each pin you knock down, you're going to count it as 1 point. And so your first kick, you're going to go and try and knock down as many pins as you can. And then you're going to run your right ball. You see, I didn't knock down any pins, so I didn't get any points. And I got one more kick in the frame to see how many pins I can knock down. Okay, so we see I only knocked down 1 pin, so I only get 1 point for this frame. Now, since I only knocked down 1, I'm going to come down here, pick it up, and reset it to do the next frame. So however many pins you knock down after your 2 first kicks, you're going to set them back up to do the next frame. So a modification to make this a little bit easier if you're struggling like me is to move closer your kick distance, or also move the pins closer together.
Modification to make it a little bit more difficult is you can either move yourself back, or you could actually spread the cones out a little bit farther, make it a little bit more difficult. Okay, so I hope that you had an awesome day kicking and you had a lot of fun doing bowling. We're gonna head out here, have fun doing some bowling.